We are driving towards the ongoing eruption site, but from Blue Lagoon side. This lava field. This place is called Arnarsetur, and from here you have a reasonably good view of ongoing eruption, maybe 3 kilometers distance. So, but it's a kind of rough road to go there, and you'll see it in a moment. It's raining in Iceland yesterday, today, for a couple of days we have rain. This lava is from the 13th century, eruption of Eldvor craters. See here. Show you. Same lava as erupting now, but the only difference is time. 800 years time gap. In the easternmost part of Eldvor Fissure was here somewhere, where you have those craters. We will hike and see the ongoing eruption in a moment. Yeah, here people park in Arnarsetur. It's a nice spot. See. Cars here. No, now we've got foggy. You can see well. Hello from Iceland. We are very close to the volcano, maybe 3 kilometers distance. I'm in Arnarsetur, also in, and you can see it is still walking. You see it. Still shooting lava. I am from the back side now. The other time when I was doing footages, I was somewhere there on the hill from the front, but now I'm from the back. Still rather active, a lot of activity as you see.
Is that the only one erupting right now?
Yes. Those fissures craters from early eruptions, nuclear eruptions. You see starts dimming also. So we are not that far from Blue Lagoon. That is Blue Lagoon over there. A bit windy today. So.